እኔ means I. እኔ we type it like this. እኔ means I. እኛ means we. እኛ አንተ, this is አንተ means you for male. you አንተ አንቺ means you for female, second person female አንቺ እርስዎ means for formal or respect for second person female or male እርስዎ እናንተ means you for plural እናንተ እሺ እሱ or እርሱ when we type we use ር, but when we speak we can jump or skip ር here. We can say እሱ እርሷ means she. Okay, she. እነሱ means they. እነርሱ እነርሱ እርሷ እርሱ እሺ so እኔ means I first person singular እኛ means we first person plural አንተ means you for second person male አንቺ you for second person female እርስዎ you for second person formal or respect እሺ እናንተ you for plural እርሱ or እሱ is he እሷ is she እነሱ is they. Okay, so don't forget, memorize this.